Have you ever wondered if there's more to the stock market than just numbers and charts? What if I told you that the movements of the planets and stars could hold the key to predicting market trends? Welcome to the world of stock market astrology and astrological theory of business cycles. This fascinating field of study combines ancient astrological principles with modern economic theory to provide a unique perspective on the financial markets. Stock market astrology is the practice of using astrological principles to predict market trends. It is based on the belief that the movements of celestial bodies can influence human behavior and therefore affect the stock market. Astrologers use various methods to analyze the positions of planets and other celestial bodies, such as horoscopes and planetary cycles, to make predictions about future market trends. While there is no scientific evidence to support this practice, many investors believe in the power of stock market astrology and use it to inform their investment decisions. Astrological theory of business cycles dates back to ancient times, when civilizations would use astrology to predict agricultural cycles. The Babylonians, for example, believed that the position of the planets and stars could affect the success of their crops. Over time, this theory evolved to include economic cycles as well. In the 17th century, English economist William Lilly wrote a book on the subject, in which he argued that the movements of the planets could influence the economy. Since then, many economists and investors have used astrology to predict market trends and make investment decisions. Astrological theory of business cycles is based on the principle that planetary movements influence economic trends. The theory suggests that there are certain planetary alignments that can predict market trends and help investors make informed decisions. One of the key principles behind this theory is the concept of cyclical patterns. According to astrologers, the movement of planets creates cyclical patterns in the economy, which can be used to predict future trends. By analyzing these patterns, astrologers can identify potential turning points in the market and provide guidance to investors. One of the benefits of using stock market astrology is that it can provide investors with a unique perspective on market trends. By analyzing the positions and movements of celestial bodies, astrologers can identify potential opportunities and risks in the market that may not be apparent through traditional analysis. However, there are also limitations to using stock market astrology. Critics argue that there is no scientific evidence to support the claims made by astrologers, and that relying on astrology to make investment decisions can be risky. Additionally, the interpretation of astrological data can be subjective, which can lead to conflicting predictions and confusion for investors. In conclusion, while the concept of stock market astrology may seem unconventional, it has a long and fascinating history rooted in ancient beliefs about the interconnectedness of all things. Through the use of astrological theory of business cycles, practitioners have been able to predict economic trends with remarkable accuracy, providing valuable insights for investors and businesses alike. However, it is important to note that there are limitations to this approach. Market conditions can be influenced by a multitude of factors, and relying solely on astrology may not always be the most effective strategy. Ultimately, the decision to incorporate stock market astrology into investment decisions should be made carefully, with a thorough understanding of both its benefits and limitations. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.